how to escape social media. Ever picked up your phone just to check one notification? You tell yourself, only 5 minutes. 5 minutes pass, then 30, then somehow an entire hour disappears. One video becomes 10, then 20. Before you realize it, it's already late. You plan to study, work out, read a book. Instead, you've been watching strangers live their lives. And somehow, you can't stop. If this sounds familiar, you probably think you have terrible self-control. But what if that's not the real problem? There's a psychological trick that almost every social media app uses. Once you understand it, escaping becomes much easier. So stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take your attention back. Why social media is so addictive. Let's start here. Social media isn't just entertainment. It's built to keep you scrolling. Every swipe, every notification, every like, every recommendation has one purpose: to keep your attention. The longer you stay, the more money these platforms make. That's why. Why everything is carefully designed to pull you back in, and most people never even notice it. Let's understand the slot machine effect. Your brain loves rewards, especially unexpected ones. Think about scrolling. Most videos are average, some are boring. But every once in a while, you find something amazing, something funny, something shocking, something you instantly want to share. Your brain remembers that feeling, so it keeps searching for the next reward. It's exactly like a slot machine. You never know when you'll win, so you keep pulling the lever. Social media works the same way. Every swipe feels like maybe the next one will be even better. And that's exactly what keeps you hooked. Now notice something else. Understand the infinite scroll. A book has a last page. A movie has ending credits. Even a TV show eventually ends. But social media, it never stops. There's no message saying you're done for today. The feed just keeps going. One post, then another, until time simply disappears. What is FOMO? Now imagine, you finally put your phone down. A few minutes later, buzz. Someone liked your post, buzz. Someone replied, buzz. Someone sent a meme. Each notification sends the same message. Come back. You might miss something. That's called the fear of missing out, or FOMO. It convinces you that something important is happening without you. But ask yourself this: how many posts do you actually remember tomorrow? Probably very few. Yet while you're scrolling, something else disappears. Your time, your focus, your goals, your peace of mind. How to escape? Here's the good news. You don't have to delete social media. You just need to stop making it so easy to access. Start small. Turn off unnecessary notifications. If your phone stays quiet, your brain stops expecting constant rewards. Next, move your social media apps off your home screen. Make your brain work a little harder. One extra tap can interrupt an automatic habit. Now set a daily time limit, not forever, just enough to remind yourself who's in control. Remember, the goal isn't perfection. The goal is awareness, because every time you choose intentionally, the habit gets weaker. Here's something important. Replace the habit. You can't remove a habit without replacing it. Your brain still wants dopamine, so give it a better source. Go for a walk, exercise, read a few pages, learn something new, call a friend, work on a hobby, do anything. That gives you a real sense of progress. Unlike endless scrolling, these activities leave you feeling better, not emptier. At first, it won't feel exciting. That's normal. Your brain is adjusting. It's used to instant rewards. Real rewards take a little longer, but they last much longer too. Stay patient. Your brain will adapt. And after a few days, something changes. Your mind feels quieter. You focus for longer. You stop reaching for your phone every few minutes. Hours stop disappearing. You become more present, more productive, more in control. And that's the real freedom. Not quitting social media, but choosing when to use it, instead of letting it use you. So the next time you unlock your phone, pause just for a second and ask yourself one simple question: am I using social media, or is social media using me?